Hey, this is Chadwick again, and I'm here today to share some music with you. Some of my favorite artists. One of them is Kawe, or Ka Wehai, I suppose. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it. She does like acapella type music, remakes of cool songs and stuff. There she is doing her little song and stuff like that. Pretty cool. She's got 189,000 views the last time I saw, so I think she's a pretty popular singer artist. It's one of the ones I found more recently that I had overlooked.
I am not one for histrionics.
And Iggy Azalea is pretty cool. I think there's a video on her. She's doing 73 questions with Vogue, and so she's cool. And you can also find some. She's really neat, like Iggy Azalea. She's cool. She's tall too. And there's Kawe again, and this is a one-hit wonder. It's pretty good music to listen to, though. Let's see, who else do we have? Listen to often. Madonna, Ditto. I know there's a YouTube music subscription available now.
There is no winning. There's nothing that turns back down the time.
Here's a good one. You guys might not remember unless you're been around the block a few times. This is Paul Simon. It's a pretty cool song. He was somewhat of a legend, fairly respected star, actor, celebrity, performer, artist.
We received a call.
So check that out. It's really cool. It's got a good Caribbean vibe to it.
Was a thorough and professional police investigation.
Let's see what else do we have on here.
An open trial, vigorously argued by the prosecution and defense.
Here's a couple. How about Violent Femmes? That's a good one.
Be carefully and judiciously considered, and at the end of the process, a reasoned and just verdict.
Happened Violent Femmes.
We received that, and I am forever grateful to the Ann Arbor Police Department for watching up
full album, greatest hits, mixed Violent Femmes. If you listen to music a lot, go ahead and get that YouTube subscription. It's pretty cool. That's a good album right there.
I certainly did not want punishment for punishment's sake. And given all of the evidence I saw at trial,
how about some more? Let's see. How about Pink Floyd? And there's one that every audiophile should know. And their two signature albums are Pink Floyd The Wall, and they're just a phenomenal example of great music. Very well put together. Quite the classic. And there's another one called Dark Side of the Moon. And they had been on tour in 1994, and I got to go see them at the Riot Stadium in Houston, Texas. It was pretty cool. I listen to music all day long, pretty much. I'm thinking maybe a music major in college.
He devoted his life to learning and education, and since his
Here's one.
You might not remember. Who are now professors or professional educators in their own right, whose lives changed for the better. We all miss him, but I, as his primary and lifelong student, was particularly touched by him and particularly feel his loss. My father was not a religious man, but he taught me to love my neighbor and treat others as I wanted
Christina Aguilera.
Equity and social justice, to rejoice in learning and music.
She's got quite the voice on her. She's a really good vocals, and her songs are pretty hip hop. She has I'm a Genie in a Bottle. You Gotta Let Me Go Right Now. And it's part of the soundtrack for the Moulin Rouge, which if you haven't seen, it's worth watching. It's pretty cool. And there she is in Candyman. Came out a couple of years ago. 9 years ago.
And then immediately take off with Trader Joe's to look for all sorts of delightful and yummy things to bring home to family.
Of course, there's the Queen of Pop,
except in our memories, and as a family.
Madonna.
It's also impossible to overstate the impact of this crime on my
And
parents.
she's just got a wide variety of great cool music. She's been coming out with this stuff since I was born. So it's a great song, Don't Tell Me. It's a great song, Big Time Madonna featuring Nicki Minaj. Vogue was a classic. I always liked Like a Prayer, that was a good one. Ray of Light's cool video. And another 80s artist.
I want to acknowledge and express my sorrow to Mr. Hamilton's family. They are effectively losing a son, a grandson, a brother.
Michael Jackson, who, whether you like him or not, or approve or disapprove of his lifestyle, his music is still considered today to be fairly unique and, overall good music. So. And his sister does videos. One more, how about Tuffy? How about
if he heard even a little from the memories of dragging my father's lifeless body down into our basement and setting it on fire, all of this was
Carlos Santana.
such as road sticks, some change, a couple of
This is a great album. If you haven't,
it will haunt me forever that my father's life came down to that.
if you haven't already listened to it,
And if Mr. Hamilton ever considers his remorse,
it's called Carlos Santana. You don't want the one that says Legacy version of this one right here.
in this case, the man who raised me, kissed me goodnight as a child.
Well, that's all for today. I just wanted to share some music with you. I enjoy listening to music. I think you should listen to music as well. Thanks for watching, and have a good night.
Plastered all over the refrigerator.